Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can set who can mention you on Threads apps. So here I've already on the Threads and to set who can mention or choose who can mention you on Threads, you can just go to your profile, click on the people icon at the bottom, then click on the two lines icon at the top right corner. Then here click on the privacy and you'll find mentions. Click on that option. So here you can choose who can mention you to link your profile in their threads, replies, or bio. And when people try to mention you, they'll see you don't allow mention. So here there are three options that you can choose. You can choose everyone can mention you, or only the profiles you follow, or no one. So I'm going to choose the profiles I follow, and after that you can just go back by clicking on the arrow and your change will be saved automatically. Okay, so that's all for me. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks if you find this helpful. Bye.